This Remax Crown Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Goodall. 1 mile from downtown Sebastian and boat ramps, this airy 4/3 home on an oversized lot embodies the Florida lifestyle. Open family room west/pocket sliders overlook LG lanai west/caged and pool and easy access to chic kitchen. Huge master west/garden tub and 2 LG bedrooms west/second master west/cabana bath. 2018 roof and 2016 AC. Side of house 2-car garage west/oversized driveway make great RV/boat parking. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer Goodall at 772-589-3054.